If you're trying to decide between Medicube Booster Pro and the Laduora LUMEO, this video is for you. Hi everyone, this is Darcy. I'm 48 years old and my channel is all about aging gracefully and feeling your best at any age. If you want to join this community, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. On today's video, I'm going to comparing the Medicube Booster Pro with the Laduora LUMEO. These are two different devices at two different price points. And one is not automatically better than the other. Today, I'm doing a comparison, so that way you can decide for yourself which device is best for your needs. The Laduora LUMEO is made by Laduora. Treatment time is only 3 minutes. It's a device to help with fine lines and wrinkles, uneven skin tone, dullness, puffiness, and skin laxity, and lifts facial contours. It is a device to focus on simplicity and easy of use. It offers 6 different modes. The LUMEO is actually quite powerful because it combines multiple technologies into each of the treatments. You can use the same technique for all of the modes, so there's no need for a learning curve. Each mode gives you multiple technologies at once, has red light therapy at 630 nanometers, so has near-infrared light at 850 nanometers, so has a 4D currenting fusion microcurrent to address not just lifting, but firming and tightening and smoothing, boost skin radius by 23% after one use, smooth skin by 9.2% immediately after the first use, improves skin elasticity by 27% in 4 weeks. I actually did the LUMEO treatment on only one side of my face, the side of my face that I treated one time with the LUMEO, have more relaxed wrinkles, have a more lifted look, and this is immediately results after one treatment. The Laduora LUMEO is designed to fit in an everyday routine without feeling overwhelmed. The Medicube Booster Pro has 4 modes, and each of the modes target different things such as fine lines and wrinkles, glow, pores, and skin texture. Each mode uses a different technique and a different technology: electroporation, microcurrent, EMS, electric needles, LED, and sonic vibrations. It's a device that requires to learn about the modes, learn each of the movements to get the best results. Each of the modes have different treatment times that varies from 5 to 10 minutes per mode. So depending on how many modes you use a day, it can vary from 5 to 30 minutes. The Medicube Booster Pro is designed for people who like to have a lot of control and don't mind a learning curve. When you put them side by side, the Laduora LUMEO offers 836% increase in skin permeability, which makes your skincare absorb better. The Medicube Booster Pro offers 785% increase in permeability in booster mode, and 791 increase in permeability in airshot mode. The main takeaway between this side-by-side comparison is that the Laduora LUMEO offer all those benefits in each of the modes, since each mode combines multiple technologies all at the same time. In the Medicube Booster Pro, each setting is almost like its own device, so offer different benefits depending on the mode that you're using. The controls on the Laduora LUMEO are simpler to use. There's only one button that you can select to turn it on and off and select the modes. On the Medicube Booster Pro, you have multiple buttons that control mode as well as power and levels. If you get any of these, you will be happy and you will see results. You just have to find the correct device that works for your budget, works for your time, and works for your needs. I think the Laduora LUMEO fits best for somebody that wants something quick, that gives you results in an affordable price point, that you don't have to have a huge learning curve to use it, and that you will see results. The Medicube Booster Pro is an amazing device as well. It does have a higher price point than the Laduora LUMEO, but does require a learning curve. If you don't mind a learning curve, learning different techniques, and really taking the time with your beauty tools, then definitely a great choice. But if you don't want a learning curve, you want something more affordable, and also you want to be able to use the device to its full potential, I definitely feel the LUMEO is a great choice because it combines all the technologies into each of the settings. So you're not fidgeting in settings, you just press and go. And you are actually taking the full advantage of all the technologies in this device, as opposed to the Medicube Booster Pro. Only take advantage of all the technologies if you really take the time to learn. So that way you can get the most benefit for your money and for your skin. If you're interested on the LUMEO, I do have a coupon code so you can get extra discounts on top of the super affordable price, and I'll leave that on the description box below with my affiliate links. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!